Everything happens to the chart is just an illusion. You probably heard this word before. Hello everyone, my name is Vivek and I have 6 years of experience in trading. I will teach you risk management. I will teach you every single thing which I know, which I help you because I want you to be grow like I do. I will start this with just $10. You will see how much I made in the end of this video. Let's begin. EUR GPV pair. Take a look at the sudden price reversal. The asset sharply changed its trajectory. The only question is, could we have predicted it? Yes, it's easily possible. We can even book profit from it. I added two indicators, Fractal and CCI. And now we can analyze this scenario in details. We draw lines from the fractals and observe how the price reacts to them. When a breakout occurs, the price continues moving in the direction of crossover. But the reversal momentum is even more interesting. Right here, the asset bounced back above the fractal, and that was precisely the movement direction changed. Pay attention to what the CCI was showing at this moment. This indicator exits its channel right before pause in momentum or reversal. These scenarios happens all the time and serve as a warning for us. In trading terms, this is called oversold. By combining in with fractals, we can predict change. Now let's look at what CCI overbought look like. In this position situation, here we add another oversold conditions and then the indicator cross the line here and here. This coincides with a small price pullback and could have saved us for losses. Okay, I think you already grasp the key mechanism of this strategy. Fractals show direction of movement. CCI provide early warning and strengthens our understanding on the situation. Right now I'm planning to open a trade on this same chart. Since we have a price reversal, we will try to trade the entire upward momentum. Alright, I'm in the market. Let's analyze the current situation. The CCI has exited oversold zone. At the same time, we have broken through one lower fractals and now approaching a second one right here. After the initial upward push, I expected the momentum to continue. By the way, they are almost invisible to naked eye. Bounce off another fractal here, which means we enter the market in a perfect time. Also worth nothing, the CCI isn't even close to overbought yet, so there is no reason to doubt this trade succeed. Even heard that bank manipulation currency price. The conspiracy goes like this. Big financial institution place trade to push asset in their desired direction while forcing other trades into losing position. It's one of the most common myths in trading. Now I will close this trade and explain why it's simply not true. First, profit lock-in. We will be re-entering the market shortly. Now, about banks manipulating prices. They can't because such actions are strictly monitored and illegal. Take the 2015 Forex scandal as proof. Major players like HSBC, grail, RBS, UBS, JB Morgan, Citigroup and Bank of America were caught red-handed clouding on currency rates. After years of investigation, they were found guilty of market abuse and fines billions of collectivity. Second trade is live. Let's analyze the setup. Price has climbed above our fractal, continues rising. Another key level awaits ahead, likely to be breached soon. But what about brokers? You will probably seen claims online about shady brokers scamming traders. Let's be clear. This is massive exaggeration. While legitimate regulate brokers exist and I will trade with them for years. But they are indeed scammers impersonating them. Your mission is simple. Learn to spot the difference. I will create a definite guide on my Telegram channel on how to find a reliable broker and avoid scams. Follow the link and check out the post. I also share trading signals there and you can use for profitable trading. Just close our second long position profitability, taking a quick breather. Before we continue, now let's debunk the biggest fantasy in trading. The holy grail strategy myth, that magical system promising 100% wins. Complete fiction. Market involves so much your strategies. Meanwhile, I am back in the market. Notice how the price keep recovering. Every dip gets bought up. Here the exact trade level where price is heading now. The CCI still it's overbought, so we are comfortable waiting for further upsides. Now back to the holy grail myth. Why do you think I keep sharing new trading strategies with you? Because there is no size fits all solution that's work in all market conditions. Some strategies become absolute over time, others work best in trading market. Certain approaches are tailored for a specific currency pair or trading session. Here the kicker. A strategy might work perfectly for me but fail completely for you. That's why the holy grail doesn't exist. Stop searching for it, instead focus on sharpening your market analysis skills. Alright, I already 5x times our starting capital. Guys, we will wait. Let's debunk another trading myth for you. This one relatively new and tied to tech advancement. The claim the human traders are absolute because bots and AI now control the market. Quickly trade check-in first. Our uptrend remains strong. Price has already retraced halfway back up. Here's our final target, the origin point of this move. Personally, I will be trade up to this level. Now back to the board. While AI is indeed advancing rapidly, its market impact remains minimal today. From my experience, most trading boards performs poorly. They are unprofitable without constant churning. They lack human institution and they can properly interrupt news event. In other words, bots are inferiors to humans in every aspect and can't truly compete with us. Sharpen your skills consistently and you will outperform any automated system. Perfect. Another profitable trade close. Current risk exposure is $93. Taking a quick breather before we jump back into trading. This trading session started exceptionally well, and I am confident we will find several more opportunities on this currency pair. Back in the market, let's allow the asset to climb steadily while we tackle another persistent myth that trading is inherited, rigged, where prices are manipulated, charts are fabricated, and profits are impossible. In other words, there with widespread belief circulating online that everything in the market is rigged. That's only exchange owners and big players on private platforms can actually profit. The myth suggests real trading happens in some secret clubs, while we retail traders are just lambs to the slaughters. If that were true, this video wouldn't exist now, would it? Yes, losses happen in trading, but consistent profits are absolutely achievable if you are willing to put in the work. Just close another position. Now up 16x our starting capital. Every decision I make, it's based on cold, hard and market analysis. No insider tricks, no magic formulas. In other words, I maintain full control, follow my strategy precisely, and that's exactly what I'm seeing, consistent results. And yes, entering another trade now. Price is steadily approaching our target and I intend to hide this move to completion. Why does the you can't make money trading myth? Precise, simple. Most traders refuse to face reality. They think they can just sign up with a broker and start trading. They are mentally spending millions on Delhi penthouse. This entitled mentally expecting profits without putting in the work is why accounts blow up. What outcomes do you think this approach brings? Trade updates. Price is nearly our original breakdown points. If we don't see contact soon, I will switch pair. We will already exact solid profit here. Perfect, I am the profit again. But I am noticing the market is losing momentum. Soon, trading will become too risky. So I will take one more position before reassigning the situation. I am sure you are eager to see how this strategy works on other charts. Alright, no need to wait. Entering another trade, right? Now let's see how it's play out. Let's debunk the final myth. Trading isn't dangerous because it's some rigged casino-like game. The real problem lies with traders who refuse to grow, those waiting for luck instead of studying strategies, reading market literatures, or follow financial news. Ask them anything my students knows, and they likely won't have answer. Yet they were convinced their broker should magically grow their account. That's not how it's worked. You either evolve as a trader and earn serious money, or keep losing by refusing to improve. Another profitable trade closed. Time to switch assets. The CCI exiting overbought territory, making the move now. Let's trade this straightforward setup. Entering long, the CCI left oversold, signaling upward potential. Price is completely a smooth reversal with a fractional breakout. The price has been consolidating and building energy this whole time. Now we will set for a powerful breakout. Let's see just how high this rocket can fly. Final myth today. Some markets are profitable, others are not. Crypto and binary options get the most hate. That complete nonsense. Any liquid market can be trade profitable where there are financial instruments, liquidity and exchange their opportunity. It's all come down to your own effort. No excuses allowed. Okay, just close another winning position. Now let's find our final trade of the day of a fresh start. Alright, let's execute at least one short trade today. Our setup: first CCI exacting overbought territory, first bearish signal. Second, previous candle broke the lower fractal, confirms downward momentum. We are anticipating further downwards, even though we are entering during our green candle. We are entering during our green candle. Sometimes the market fools the up pair. So what we have learned about trading myths? They are everywhere, and today we debunk the most dangerous ones. Many traders prefer conspiracy theories over doing the actual work and understanding market. This self-description creates ineffective traders. Trust only what you have tested yourself. Keep experimenting and growing. That's the only real edge in this business. With enough skills, these myths will eventually make you smile. Perfect. Our last trade closed profitable. Time to review today's results. We just started with just $10 and now it's 160x. You can see live. Take this powerful strategy and start with yourself. You want real market knowledge? Join my Telegram channels. I will share every signal. Your feedback fuel this channel. Like and comment. Push this YouTube video to lots of traders. That's all for today. Trade smart. See you on the next video.